Here's how to check your watch history on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and let's say you watched a couple of reels or videos and you wanted to go back and rewatch them. It's a new update in the settings of your Instagram app. So what we're going to do is tap on the profile button at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now within the settings, you can now see your entire watch history. However, keep in mind this is a new feature, so if you don't see it, you might need to update the Instagram app. You're going to from here tap on your activity and then scroll down to the bottom to watch history. You'll be able to see all of those reels and videos that you've watched, including the one I just watched at the top left here. I can always go back and rewatch them. However, if you don't see that, just head into the App Store or Google Play Store. And from here, we're just gonna search for Instagram. And if it says update right next to Instagram, just tap on that update button. Again, this is a brand new feature within the Instagram app.